Wondering how often your Tesla needs servicing, let's get straight to the point. First off, your Tesla doesn't need annual maintenance or regular fluid changes. With over-the-air updates, remote diagnostics, and mobile service techs, visits to a Tesla service center are minimal. If your vehicle does need service, you can easily schedule it via the Tesla app. Keep in mind, taking your Tesla to a non-Tesla shop might affect your warranty. Here's a quick list of Tesla's recommended maintenance. Brake fluid check every 4 years or sooner if you drive in tough conditions. AC desiccant bag replacement every 4 years. Cabin air filter every 2 years or every 3 years for HEPA carbon filters annually in China. Brake caliper cleaning annually or every 12,500 miles if you live where roads are salted. Tire rotation every 6,250 miles or if tread differences exceed 2/32 inches. Finally, if you notice heating or AC issues, it might be time to clean your radiator, especially if you drive in dusty or polluted areas. You can find steps in the service manual or schedule a service through the Tesla app. That's it. Keep up with these checks to ensure your Tesla runs smoothly and efficiently. If this video gave you value, please hit that like button and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.